Hello, lovely people. You're welcome to my kitchen. It's yet another day on our challenge, and today we are going to have some hot, spicy prepared wele. Yes, wele in hot sauce with some BPC. Yes, so today that's what you're going to have. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Okay, so let's see the things we are going to use. Some wele well cleaned and washed. We are also going to make use of 3 tomatoes, pepper. Yes, it's hot sauce, so the pepper needs to be hot. We're also going to use some onions, my coconut oil, black and white pepper, dry thyme, negro pepper, and a mixture of natural spices. I'm also making use of Mr. Chef and salt. And so what you're going to do is we are going to cook our wele for it to be very tender. So I'm going to add salt, and I'll also give it a bit of spices, the mixed spices. Wele actually doesn't have taste, so how you will prepare it will determine the taste you are going to get. Okay, so cover and let it cook very well. And so we are going to work on our tomatoes, onions, and peppers. I'm going to blend the 2 small size of the onions and plus the tomato seeds, the pepper. I'll also add garlic, ginger to it, and add the natural mixed spices also to it. Okay, so I just poured in my coconut oil and I added some negro pepper to it. I've also added my blended mixture, and what I'm doing is rinsing the blender and add it to it. I will just cover, so you cover for some minutes, and this time we are checking on it. And so we'll add our chopped or sliced tomatoes to it, stir a bit, and then cover for it to cook very well. Okay, so we are checking on our wele, and our wele is soft now. It's cooked the way I want it. I don't want it too soft, neither do I want it very hard. Okay, so I will add a bit of water to it just to loosen it up and stir it very well. You need to let the stew cook to get the taste that we want. So we're adding salt to it, and then we'll also add mixed spices and dry thyme, and then black and white pepper. So that's what you are doing now. Then we'll stir everything together and allow it to cook very well. So that's what you are having for today. Please, if you are just joining this challenge, just start from day 1. All the days are there. Start, watch, add exercise, get your flat tummy water, and be drinking and drink a lot of water. And you will definitely get there. It takes discipline and consistency for you to be able to lose the weight you want. And so we'll cover, and now we are going to check on our stew so far. And we can see it is cooking. And so we're going to add our wele. What I do is I don't allow the stew to cook 100% before adding my fish or wele to it, because I want to get the flavor and the taste of everything in the wele, as well as getting the flavor of the wele in the stew. Okay, and so we'll cover and give it time to cook. So now we are checking on it, and our wele sauce is almost ready. Yes, ready. You will love to taste this. We are going to add our onions to it, our sliced onions to it, and then we'll cover for it to cook for at most 1 minute. Yes, at most 1 minute will be okay, because I don't want my onions to be very tender. I want to see onions in my food. So yes, so it's okay, and we are going to serve it with our bulletproof coffee. There is a recipe on bulletproof coffee. I will leave the link for you to watch and then prepare yours. Or if you watch day 1 of this challenge, you will know how to prepare bulletproof coffee. And so this is it. So this is our sumptuous prepared wele in hot sauce with a bit of spring onions here and there. Yes, so you can see our onions there with our BPC, bulletproof coffee. And so that's what you're enjoying today. I'm not going to eat all this. No, moderation is very important. So this is what I am going to take. It's very important to cut on portions or to manage your portions on keto so that you don't get out of hand, because every little counts. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and watch out for another video on our challenge. Bye bye.